I don't think people understand how powerful quality content can be for attracting both subscribers and brand collaborations on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to Jake World 035, the place where we talk all about growth, creativity, and turning your passion into impact. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to create the best quality content on YouTube that not only attracts more subscribers, but also brings in brand collaborations. Whether you're just starting out or you've been grinding for a while, if you want to work with top brands and take your channel to the next level, this video is for you. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's go. You're at the start of an incredible journey. You have a passion and a message. This is your spark. YouTube gives you the power to turn ideas into videos that inspire, entertain, and educate. Every YouTuber you admire started right where you are, with an idea, a camera, and determination. Growth is a process. Your first video won't be your best, and that's a good thing. It means you're learning. Celebrate every small win: a new subscriber, a positive comment, a new skill. Consistent effort and love for your craft pave the way to success. What's your mission? What value will you bring to your viewers? This is the foundation of your channel. Your purpose attracts the right audience and keeps you motivated when growth feels slow. Remember your why. Let it guide every video you create. This guide will help you turn your creative spark into a roaring fire. We'll break down practical steps to grow your audience and attract brands. Brand collaborations are a milestone. They show you've built something valuable. It's achievable and within your reach. Let's start building the channel of your dreams, one video at a time. The world is waiting to see what you'll create. Imagine waking up to an email with the subject, "Collaboration Inquiry." It's from a brand you admire. They've seen your videos and want to work with you. This is the moment many creators dream of, and it's a real possibility for you. That email is proof of your hard work and commitment to quality. Brands aren't just looking for huge channels. They want creators with genuine audience connections. They seek partners who make engaging, high-quality content that fits their values. This email marks a new chapter, turning your passion into a profession. Securing your first brand deal is more than money. It's validation and motivation. Each collaboration opens doors to bigger opportunities. But how do you get there? It's not luck, it's strategy. You need to be intentional about your content and your community. In the next sections, we'll unpack the exact steps to make brands see you as a valuable partner. We'll cover how to present your channel professionally and reliably. Get ready to welcome those opportunities into your inbox. Your journey from hobbyist to professional starts now. Let's make your channel brand ready. The next email could be yours. When a brand rep clicks your video, they judge in seconds. High-quality video and audio are essential. They're your digital storefront. Crisp visuals and clear sound show you care and build instant trust. Viewers stick around for creators who respect their time with quality content. Brands want to see their products in the best light. Quality is non-negotiable. Poor lighting or audio reflects badly on both you and the brand. Quality means clear visuals, stable shots, good lighting, and clean audio. It's also about storytelling, editing, and the value you provide. You don't need a Hollywood budget. Smart, affordable choices go a long way. In the next sections, we'll share practical tips and gear to elevate your production. Quality is your ticket to brand deals and loyal viewers. Let's make your channel shine. Lighting is the secret to great video, more important than an expensive camera. The best light is free film in front of a window for natural, flattering light. If that's not possible, a ring light or softbox kit is an affordable upgrade. Good lighting instantly makes your videos look polished and professional. Your smartphone is a powerful camera. Use the back camera, lock focus, and exposure. Ready to upgrade? A mirrorless camera offers more control and better low-light performance. Stability matters. Shaky footage distracts viewers. Prop your phone on books or use a tripod for steady shots. These three pillars, lighting, camera, and stability, transform your video quality. Master them, and you'll stand out to both viewers and brands. You don't need fancy gear, just smart choices. Start simple, improve as you grow. Your content deserves to look its best. Let's get you camera ready. Bad audio drives viewers away faster than bad video. If your audience can't hear you clearly, your message is lost. Invest in a lavalier or USB microphone. These affordable upgrades make a huge difference. Get the mic close to your mouth for the best sound. Minimize background noise. Turn off fans. Close windows, silence notifications. Use editing tools to clean up your audio and keep volume consistent. Clear, crisp sound shows you care about your craft. Brands notice great audio. It's a mark of professionalism. Prioritize sound and your channel will stand out. Storytelling is what makes your videos memorable. Every video needs a clear structure, a hook, a valuable middle, and a strong ending. Your personality is your superpower. Let it shine. There are countless channels, but only one you. Provide clear value, teach, entertain, or inspire. Consistent value keeps viewers coming back. Use B-roll, graphics, and different angles to make your story dynamic. Show what you're talking about, don't just tell. Good editing paces your story and highlights key moments. Brands want creators who connect with their audience through authentic storytelling. Make every video a story worth watching. Storytelling is the heart of your channel. Make it beat strong. Consistency is key, both in your upload schedule and your channel's look. Regular uploads build anticipation and help the algorithm recommend your videos. Develop a recognizable style-consistent thumbnails, banners, and video elements. Use signature intros, catchphrases, or recurring segments to create familiarity. Brand recognition builds loyalty and attracts sponsors. Experiment to find what works, then stick with it. A clear brand identity makes you stand out to viewers and brands alike. Consistency signals professionalism and reliability. Build a brand, not just a channel. A thriving channel is a two-way conversation, not a broadcast. Engage with your viewers, reply to comments, ask questions, and use YouTube's community tab. Feature your audience in your content with shoutouts or comment highlights. Polls and prompts boost engagement and give you valuable feedback. When viewers feel seen, they become loyal supporters. Brands value active, engaged communities. Build relationships, not just numbers. Make it easy for brands to contact you. List a professional business email in your channel's About section. Mention your email in video descriptions for visibility. Signal you're open to collaborations. Mention it naturally in your content. Create a media kit. Include your stats, audience demographics, and best work. A media kit shows you're prepared and professional. Respond to brand inquiries promptly and politely, even if you decline. Your reputation matters. Be easy to work with. Professionalism opens doors to more opportunities. Make yourself discoverable and approachable. You're ready for the next step in your creator journey. Go make it happen.